Welcome back to the channel. We are Billy and Leanne. Last week you saw us break down in Pra Sands and have mud daddy hot showers. This week we're back on the road heading to the beach to try out a brand new beach tent sent to us by WOLFWISE. Good morning from the van. It's a nice sunny day today and I've just woken up. Bill is at work at the moment. So today we will be going to the beach later. So today we're going to take you along for a beach day. But right now I need to tidy the van because it's an absolute mess from last night. So let's get that done and get the coffee on.
Saying what you mean. Suppress my feelings, 'cause I know what's best for me. Feel short of confidence.
To start the summer holidays now.
Yeah, so we're gonna probably have a bit of difficulty maybe getting into the beach. Really looking forward to going to the beach with the sun because it's been raining for the last few days. So we're just going to get the van ready and then get on the way.
You put down the phone, you've nowhere to go. Get back on the road, yeah, it's so
Kindly sent a beach tent by WOLFWISE, which is a really easy portable fold up tent that you can take to the beach, and it's literally, it folds up into just something you can carry under your arm and it pops out. There's no like tent poles involved, it's literally just pop up and then you fold it back down, so it's super easy to get up and down. Been keeping it in the boot, so it has backpack straps so you can pop it on your back and head to the beach and still have your arms free.
What a waste of time, what a waste of time to fall so far behind. You're back on the beat, distorted and cheap. You're a villain, what the fuck are you selling? You're a sham, I won't fall at your feet. Now come on, man, roll. I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how have I changed, how I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry. All we ever do is laugh it off, and I'm sick and I don't know why. You remember that night we met? I thought you looked so fine. Guess we have to agree to disagree for this one last time. Pretty weird that day when we did not exchange our hellos. I wasn't looking out for you, I'm sorry, I'm so shallow. But I'm still looking forward to watching part 2 of Deathly Hallows with you. Much at all here in this small town, 'cause in the end we're all buried deep inside the same hole in the ground. Without a stone, taught the dog to throw a bone. For a while, sleeping like a bee.
So the tide comes in at 2 o'clock apparently. Well, we're meant to get off this bit because we get cut off by the tide. It's 20 past 1. Sausages ain't done.
And everyone's still in the peak.
We'll get the tent down, which is very easy. It's got instructions on the bag, so it's quite easy to get it down, which is good. So it's quick.
Fits into a little bag too.
So we've got a time trial going on, so we've got to get down before 2 o'clock and eat our sausage. We're risking it.
Forget following the night. You made a joke about the half-cut Asian metaphor and lady made her cry. Well, luck's been changing, then it's so apparent. Caught a cold white rabbit's foot at home. Start the day, I'm standing on the space. I love the scenery. My happiness is misery, and nothing's like it used to be. 'Cause everybody around me's feeling sorry for himself. So why the hell am I to blame? I never underestimate the impact of the fourth wall breaking down upon my feet. The offering is never bleak. I'm listening in like a kid just finished.
We are heading now to go and do so much laundry that we have left because we've had so many visitors over the last few weeks. So we've got about 3 big bags of laundry. Definitely not what you want to be doing on a sunny day like today, but we've got to get it done because it won't get done otherwise. Washing line again because it saves so much time rather than waiting for it to get tumble dried. So we're back now, we've done our laundry, we've packed the tent away.
Packed up just in time before the tide come in.
Yeah, so we had to be back, otherwise we'd be cut off at the beach by 2.
And it was actually pretty easy to put down, wasn't it?
It is really easy. It literally folds up into a really small bag
Like a
as
little
well.
ball.
And we saw multiple of the WOLFWISE tents at the beach.
Yeah.
So they're very popular choice for Cornwall beach goers.
Nice and light to carry down to the beach.
And also, there's actually 3 ways to keep it down. So you've got sandbags on the side,
Oh yeah.
which you can put sand in to weight it down. There's also tent pegs, and there's wind straps, so if it's windy you can just pull them down. Tent was a success. Thank you very much, WOLFWISE. We absolutely love it. And if you're interested in this tent, I will leave the link in the description below. We're going to leave the video there. We've had a really good day chilling in the sun. We're just going to make some dinner in a bit. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a like, and we'll see you on the next one.